boxed, wrapped up well, padded well. Really happy with this. This is the piece that goes in the window. Was worried it wasn't going to be good quality, but it's really thick plastic, so I'm happy with that. This does have two places for the water, the condensed water to come out. It is a doubles as a dehumidifier if needed, and you can see it does come with a hose as well if we want to go with that option. I like that. Here's the label on the side. I kind of wanted to show that there are some dangers, but some of the kind of facts of the piece are here, made in China. There's the email address for support, but they also have a sticker here on the side for email support, which I haven't contacted yet. So I do have this thermometer checker, temperature checker. It's at 72 and it's blowing out at 72, which is really nice, spot on. Be interesting to see how if that changes over months or years, or if it stays consistent. So maybe I'll give an update in a year or two to see if the temperature is staying up. And this was the initial, right when I turned it on, it was already starting to get colder. So it's immediate cold air, like you could feel it immediately. Nice panel, pretty responsive. The only thing is you could see I like the up and down for the temperature. You have to push every time. You can't hold it down. So, but there are 3 speeds for the fan: high, low, and sleep. Low and sleep are pretty quiet. You can use it just as a fan. The humidifier, which it's interesting, but I'm not sure if I would use it for that. The swing is the little vent in the front, goes up and down, and that seemed to be pretty cool, pretty responsive, and worked out well. And then there's if the condenser's full, you can empty it. And here's where I had to push the button repeatedly to get to the temperature instead of holding it down. Not a huge deal, because it's not like you're going through hundreds and hundreds of numbers. It goes from 85 to 61. So yeah, you can see me kind of playing with that. There's a timer on there as well. Yep, thumbs up. Great product. Looks good.
Good afternoon. I got this portable air conditioner for my shop. I recently had the shop insulated. It's a 27 foot by 36 foot shop, and I wanted something small that would help cool this thing down a little bit more. The shop doesn't run hot as it is since I insulated, but just in a short period of time, just at 74 degrees, this portable air conditioner is working phenomenal. Cooling the place off, and it feels good, nice and chilly.